have to solve this problem. If we have string here, that it should display appropriate message and it should not return any error. And as discussed in previous session, we have to check the type of my item, and the type should be of int type. So I can use one if conditions. If we have a inbuilt function is instance, which is used to check the type of the variable. Here I need to check the type of item. If item is of int type, then only this code should execute, else I can print message issue in data type. We can return false in this case. Okay, so let's now understand this code. So here I am accessing items in my data. First time it will be 21. Here I am checking that is item an instant of int type. The output will be yes. So this if condition will execute. This is odd. It will return remainder as 1. Sum is 0. So this 0 will added with 21 and sum will be 21 at this point. Else will not execute because the first item 21 is an instance of int. So this if condition is true and else will not execute. Now it moved to D. So this is false this time because it is a string, not an int. So this if condition return false, else part will execute. So it will print issue in data type and return false. So program will terminate at this point and the output should be false. Let's execute this. So you can see in this case I'm getting false, and let's make this 1. So here the count will be 22 plus 5, 27. So you can see the sum is 27. So we solved our problem. So we can add this condition in all of our problem which we have solved so far, and you can improve your code. Before performing any mathematical operation, you can simply check that your item should be of int type. If it is not of int type, it can raise an error. So to solve that, we can add this condition. So it's important to check the type of item before performing any mathematical operation like this. So I hope these discussions will be helpful to you to solve various kind of problems based on list. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.